everyone, I am Inka Tisnawati Lewo. Now I would like to explain you guys about simple present tense and simple continuous. Come, check the sun. So the first one, I will tell you guys about simple present tense. This is simple present, or what's the definition of simple present tense? So the definition of simple present tense is used to talk about something general, something this always happens over and over again, or a general truth. Next, we go the timeline of the simple present tense, as you can see on the screen. Next, we go the structure. 1. Nominal simple present. Subject plus to be, am, is, are plus object. 2. Verbal simple present. Subject plus verb 1 plus object. This is example nominal sentence. Positive example, Akiva is a student. Negative example, Akiva is not a student. Question example is Akiva a student. This is example verbal. Positive example, Rifai plays football every day. Example negative, Rifai does not play football every day. Question example, does Rifai play football every day? Next, I will you guys about to present continuous. Present continuous is tenses to express activities that are happening right now. Next, we got the timing of the simple continuous, as you can see on the screen. Next, we got the structure. Positive form, subject plus am, is, are plus verb 1 ing plus object. Negative forms, subject plus am, is, are plus not verb 1 ing plus object. Interrogation forms, am, is, are plus subject plus verb ing plus object. This is example. Positive example, I'm cooking. Negative example, I'm not cooking. Question example, I cooking. I think that's for me. I'm sorry for my mistake, and the next presentation will be delivered by my friend Jati Putri.
Hello everyone, I'm Jati Putri Kusuma. Now, I would like to explain you guys about present perfect tense. Come check the sun. So, the definition of present perfect tense is used to indicate a link between the present and the past. The time of the action is before now, but not specified, and we are often more interested in the result than in the action itself. Next, we got the timeline of the present perfect is used to describe. First, an action or situation that starts in the past and continues in the present. 2. An action performed during a period that has not yet finished. 3. A repeat action in a unspecified period between the past and now. 4. An action that was complete in the very recent past expressed by just. 5. An action when the time is not important. As you can see on the screen, next we got the structure. First, positive forms. Subject plus have or has plus past participle plus the rest of the sentence. Negative forms. Subject plus have or has plus not plus past participle plus the rest of the sentence. 3. Interrogative forms. Have or has plus subject plus past participle plus the rest of the sentence. Some example this present perfect tense. Positive, I have finished my work. Negative, I have not finished my work. Question, have I finished my work? I think that all of for me. I'm sorry for my mistake, and the next presentation will be delivered by my friend Karin.
Hello everyone, I'm Karina Widartanti. Now, I would like to explain you guys about present perfect continuous and simple past tense. So the first one, I will tell you about present perfect continuous and what is the present perfect continuous or what's the definition of present perfect continuous tense. So the definition of present perfect continuous is show that something starts in the past and is continuing at the present time. Next, we got the timeline of the present perfect continuous, as you can see on the screen. Next, we got the structure. First, positive form, subject plus has or have plus been plus verb in. Second, negative form, subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus verb in. And the third, integrated form, has or have plus subject plus been plus verb in. Some example about these terms. Positive, the example is she has been or she's been running. The example of negative, she has been running. And the question example is has she been running? Okay, the next tense is simple past tense. The simple past tense, sometimes called the preterite, is used to talk about a complete action in a time before now. The time of the action can be in the recent past or the distant past, and action duration is not important. Next, we got the timeline of the simple past tense timeline, as you can see on the screen. Next, we got the structure. The first, positive form, is subject plus verb to ed or d plus object, or subject plus was or were plus complement. In the second, negative form, subject plus did not plus verb 1, infinitive without to plus object, or subject plus was or were plus not plus complement. And the third, integrative form, did or did not plus subject plus verb 1, infinitive without to, or was or were plus subject plus complement. some example about this tense. The example of positive tense is the nurse went to the hospital yesterday. And the negative example, the nurse didn't go to the hospital yesterday. And the example of question is, did the nurse go to the hospital yesterday? I think it's all for me. I'm sorry to my mistake, and the next presentation will be delivered by my friend Anggi. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Lidwina Aprilia Anggi. Now I would like to explain your guys about past continuous tense. Come check the sound. So the definition of past continuous tense. The past continuous tense refers to a continuation or step that was happening at some point in the past. There are many situations in which this verb tense might be used in a sentence. For explain, it is often used to description the condition that explained in the past. Next, we got the timeline of the past continuous tense. I was, you can see on the screen. Next, we got the structure, positive form, subject plus be, was, or were, plus participle plus object. Negative form, subject plus be, was, or the, plus not, plus present participle plus object. Integrative form, be, was, or were, plus subject plus present participle plus object. Some explain about this each tense. Past continuous tense. Positive, Mario worked in a plumbing company. Negative, Mario does not work very hard in the company. With, does he work very hard in the company? Next, past perfect tense. So, the definition of past perfect tense, that past perfect tense is for talking about something that happened before something else. Next, we got the timeline of the past perfect continuous perfect tense. As you can see on the screen. Next, we got the structure, positive form, subject plus had plus past participle. Negative, subject plus had plus not plus past participle. Integrative, had plus subject plus past participle. So explain about this tense. Positive, they had eaten my pizza. Negatives, that hadn't eaten my pizza. Question, had the ate my pizza. I think out of the for me, I'm sorry for mistake, and the next presentation will be delivered by my friends Keisha.
Hello everyone. I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Keisha Tenaya Rista Dewayani. You can call me Keisha or Tenaya, and in this presentation I will discuss about past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous indicates that an action was happening before another action in the past happened. In this sentence, we are now interested in duration. Next, we got the timeline of the past perfect continuous tense, as you can see on the screen. Next, we got the structure. The positive form is subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. The negative form is subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing. And the interrogative form is had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. And also we got the example of the past perfect continuous tense. The positive sentence is Raihan had been studying theology for 2 months in 2020. The negative sentence is Raihan had not been studying theology for 2 months in 2020. And the question is, had Raihan been studying theology for 2 months in 2020? I think that is all for me. I'm sorry for my mistake, and thank you for the attention.